A DSAR with Smartbox. Today we are going to run through how a DSAR would look like when using Smartbox. Firstly, we will begin with creating a new box. Once we have selected a name for our box, in this instance we will name this box DSAR, select configuration, open our box, and upload some data into the box. In this instance, we are uploading from a zip file. Once our information has been loaded, we can then see our data inside the box. The first step we always want to do when conducting a DSAR is deduplication. With Smartbox, we can see how much deduplication is required, how many duplicates we have, and we can simply remove all duplicates. Once duplicates have been removed, we can head over to our redaction table. With our redaction table, we can see all of the PII information that the AI solution has gathered. We can subcategorize the information via names and people, addresses, dictionaries. We can pinpoint a particular person for redaction, or we can simply select everything to be redacted except for a particular person, usually the individual who has requested the DSAR. So in this instance, Darren has requested the DSAR. We will also make sure to redact email addresses and leave Darren's email. As you can see, we can choose which type of AI information we want to view within our redaction table. We have postcodes, addresses, numbers, identifiers, locations, organizations. We have a long list of AI gathered information at our disposal. And these are all selected during our configuration of our box. Once we have selected the necessary information that we want redacted, we can go ahead and select bulk redact. Once our redaction has been done, we can head back into our box, simply select a file. But before we select a file, we're going to go ahead and look specifically at what has been redacted, because this is information that does not have Darren's name inside. We have 3 versions of the file. We're going to select the redacted version, and as you can see on this passport, the particular name signature has been redacted. So what we're going to do now, we're going to head into our Smart View, also known as the Audit View. Within this view, we can see what our AI results have detected within the page. We can select our I button, which showcases where redactions have been made. We can highlight specifically where a particular content, a particular name is located in the document. We could also have the ability to apply annotations to particular redactions, such as sensitive. We also have the ability to apply manual redaction, which means we can simply select the draw button and draw over a particular redaction. And any changes made in Smart View are instantly made at that point. There is no need for saving. As you can see now, we're going to select our redacted view. And in our redacted file, we can see that that redacted box and our annotation of sensitive is now appearing in our redacted file format. We can also use our filter section for searching for particular names and information to pinpoint data within our data set. So in this instance, we're going to pinpoint data with our DSAR requester, Darren. We can select any document and we can simply see what the solution has detected and where the solution has left out Darren's name, as he was the person who requested the DSAR, so he is privy to his information. The filtering button is capable of searching within data. And once we head back into our home page, we have the option to export our dataset. Now, when exporting, we can choose whether we want to export all files, redacted files, combine or multiple PDFs, remove the folder structures, rename files. And once we've selected our parameters, we can simply select to collect data. Once we have collected the data, we can simply open up our downloaded file and view what it would look like. Thank you for listening.